Hi YouTube family and friends, this is Antoinette and I wanted to share with you, actually this is an update video of a cactus plant that I have, and it's called Queen of the Night, thanks to my YouTube friend Diane Taylor, who told me the name of it. Well, in the other video I was telling you this was my mom's cactus plant, and it had been probably in this pot for about 25 years or so. And so when I brought it onto the porch last summer, it was all over the place, and it was all over the place. So I broke it down and I put it in here. My floor is squeaky. That's what happens when you live in a 100-year-old house. So yeah, so I broke it down and I put it in this jar, and so it's been in here since the summer. It has an it has an abundance of roots. So this is probably another plant I'm going to sell at a very low price. So it's called Queen of the Night, and it Diane told me that it gets beautiful white flowers, and so I did some research, and in fact it does get beautiful white flowers on the plant. So I'm going to make them available to you if you would like them. I will probably do another video to give you the specifics, because I don't have them right now. So anyway, yes, my dears, this is it. It's shiny because I treat all my plants with neem oil to get rid of the bugs, and so I treat them all even if they don't have bugs. So thank you for watching my video. Remember to love someone, give them a hug, and appreciate the small things. Okay, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.